Talan Products is once again proud to announce that our CEO, Steve Peplin, has been recognized as one of the 2022 Smart 50 business leaders in Northeast Ohio. For over 35 years, Steve has been leading this high-performing organization. Talan Products continues to be a high-growth manufacturing company year after year. Manufacturing is a strong part of the economy in Ohio and across the country. Talan continues to grow, upgrade, and expand its manufacturing services to its core competencies of medium and high-volume metal stamping and fabricated aluminum extrusions to bring greater value to our partner customers. As floor space expands and more equipment is powered up, more team members are required. Managing this growth has to be done while keeping a keen eye on the ball and putting the people and systems in place to guarantee success. Success for everyone, our customers, our team members, and our vendors. The Smart 50 is comprised of those individuals running organizations which are growing the economy of our region. Thank you, Smart Business, and congratulations, Steve, on being one of the Smart 50 in 2022.